I am Asad Siddiqui, the founder and faculty head of Niche Tourism Academy. In my 15 years of career, I had the following observations of tourism insights. The Indian tourism market is predominantly an unorganized sector. Even the students pursuing degree courses from recognized universities and institutions lack the basic knowledge on package tour. 90% tourism professionals lack the grassroots level knowledge of tourism. Then, tourism colleges and institutions are yet to provide any specialized curriculum on package tours. Then, courses on air ticketing, hotels, and hospitality are widely available. But I found that authentic package tour courses are still not available in the world. Then top online companies are spearheaded by leaders who do not come from the travel and tourism background. The tourism companies are driven by leaders without intrinsic understanding of the industry, and therefore the maximum travel businesses are standing on a very weak foundation. Then again, I found that well integrated online customization of package tour portals can showcase worldwide product in a single platform in an organized way. Next, talents with sound product knowledge in this business can bridge the gap in the online tourism industry. Then again, the absence of innovative tourism in the global tourism market owing to lack of awareness is creating bottleneck for successful business. Most of the holiday companies do not want their personnel to learn the trade secrets because they fear that after learning them, they might start their own initiative. Even I have found that the B2B agents prevent the learning of B2C agents to prevent them from starting an independent initiative. Again, most of the tourism professionals do not join the domain with specialized tourism knowledge, which in turn is affecting the overall efficiency of the tourism industry. And the last observation of mine is that every year innumerable travel companies commence and close down owing to lack of awareness, knowledge, initiatives, and industry oriented skill. And that is the reason I brought this totally a new type of project, a digital course on package tour.